Welcome to this pronunciation video. Today we will be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So let's dive into today's word. 目覚まし, which means
alarm in Japanese.
Let's say it all together. 目覚まし, 目覚まし, 目覚まし. One more time. 目覚まし, 目覚まし, 目覚まし. Thank you for joining us on this adventure in pronunciation. Remember, language is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, experimenting, and expanding your linguistic horizons. We'll see you next time.